Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Pure Shade. If you're new or just stopping by, I'm Shay, a health and wellness coach to help you be a better version of you on the inside and out. So this week, I just want to show you a quick recipe while you're out of town to do a vegan hamburger in a wrap. So let's head to the kitchen. As for the ingredients, you're going to grab a wrap, plant-based patty. You're going to use some kale for the side, with onions, red bell peppers, and you're going to use tomatoes and lettuce in the wrap. As for the seasoning for the vegan burger, I use cayenne, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, and set the oven to 395. Now you're going to go ahead and put your burger into the oven for about 25 minutes. Now go ahead and dice up the red bell peppers, onion, and kale. Drizzle a little bit of grapeseed oil into a pot and turn it to about medium heat. Now you can go ahead and add the red bell peppers and the onions and let them begin to saute. And of course, stir as needed. Now you're going to want to turn the stove down just a tad so you can go ahead and add the kale. Now you'll begin to stir. Stir and allow the kale to soften. Once it's gotten to the right texture, go ahead and set it aside. You can dice up the tomatoes and lettuce and set it aside. Now it's time to flip the burger over so both sides can cook evenly. Flip it one more time just to make sure both sides look well cooked. And once it's done, remove from the oven. Now I added vegan mayo, ketchup, lettuce, tomatoes, and diced up the burger. Your meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you, think naturally. Please try out this recipe and let me know what you think. Bye!